What are the computed properties in the Vue.js? So computed properties are smart values which are tracked by the Vue.js itself, and if some value is changed, so Vue automatically update its value, and it's also affected in the output too. So now let's understand with a simple example. This one is our third video where we are covering our Vue.js stuff, right? And I'm going to now add two variable here. So it's I'm going to call this first name. Okay, first name, I'm going to mention my own name Dayat, and then last name, which is Niazi. Okay, and now I want to basically display a full name, right? So where I want to display those variables, I'm going to call here, let me create a paragraph, and the paragraph I'm going to create first name, and in the first name I'm going to call here my variable value. What is the value? It's a first name, something like this. So similarly I'm going to do this same for another one too. We can do a line break, or we can copy those similarly. Make this last name. Okay, make it last name, something like this, and this should be also the last name, right? We are passing the headers, and then we are calling these variables name, last name, right? So let's go here and get refresh. You can see this is now showing first name Dayat and last name Niazi, right? What if I want to show the full name, right? I have created those two values, and now I'm going to display the full name. So here I'm going to create the paragraph narrative. I'm going to show you full name. Okay, full name, and here I want to display the full name variable, which I haven't created yet. So let me create that full name, which is empty by default, right? I'm not going to assign any of the value to this variable because I'll concat those both variables and then pass each other. Okay, so now I'm going to create a computed property where I'll combine those variable to a full name. You can assign them to a variable, or you can also directly combine them and return their output without passing them to the variable. I'm going to do this without the variable. Okay, so here, as you have created the methods property, similarly you can create the computed properties, right? Something like this. Okay, so in the computed you can create any of the property like show full name, something like this, and then you can concat both variables. So I'm going to call the first name first name, and then I'm going to concat with that the last name, this dot last name, something like this. Okay, what's the issue? And it's saying comma expected. Oh, okay, so here after this data property we are not passing a comma, so that's why it's saying that comma is expected. And we have created this computed property, and here we need to return this value. So whenever this computed will call, so then it will show this name, right? Okay, and here I have passed this comma, and now it will work. We are passing a full name, right? But we are not using a full name variable, so I'm going to call this computed property show full name, something like this, right? It will calculate those values, combine them, and then display them here. Let's get refresh, and yes, you can see this now. It's showing the Dayat Niazi, right? And why I'm saying that these are the computed values, because if the value is changed on the runtime, so then this full name will be also updated. So let's say here you have used the Dayat and here you use the Niazi. So let's say you change this Niazi on the runtime, it will be also reflected here. So basically these are the cached values, but if the value is changed, then Vue will automatically recalculate that value and then pass this everywhere where this variable is using. So this is the overall concept of this computed properties, and maybe you are confusing that it's same as methods. So I'm going to explain both ones in the next video. What is the difference between computed and methods in the practical video. So let's stay tuned in the next one. Bye bye.